Ayan. So, ito yung loob niya. Oh, look at this chicken. And then fried rice. Siomai. And sauce bar. And wide selection of bowls. And ano pa? Ayan. Veggies. Yum.
Mom, let's check out the meat. There's a coffee.
Hi, Mom. Hey, G. Where are we right now?
We are Coffee Go.
Where we go? Why are we here?
Because it's
Family Day.
Mother's Day.
What year is it?
It's 2026 now.
June 16, 2026. 6 May 26. Oh, it's a very nice date para dada.
Yum.
Mom, walang spoon at boy.
Concept na yung sa company na no markup.
Next.
So, Mom, what can you say about the food so far?
You found favorite.
How about you, AG?
Kasi meron tayong kinakain ng hotpot, di ba, sa Pasay. Kasi hindi tayo makapunta doon lagi kasi nga mahal. Ito, affordable.
Yes.
Hindi siya mura, pero affordable.
So, magkano naman dito, Ma'am, para sa mga manonood dito?
Okay po. Ang price po niya ay 699 plus tax and service charge. Total of 818 lang.
800 siya per pack.
800 total.
So, kompleto naman yan. May hotpot ka na. Meron ka pang grill. Tapos, yes, hotpot nyo ay solo-solo. Baka pili kayo ng gusto nyong soup. Soup base, diba? Tapos yung kid na si AG ay half price pa naman yan today. So, grab namin ang opportunity.
Yeah. Make sure na dadalhin ng bata ay masusulit niya.
Yes. Super ganda ng selection. So, ayun. Visit this. So, dito yan sa Malate area. Okay? Bye! Ayan. Where are we?
A Korean night.
Korean night. Okay, so after ng Samgyup, saan naman tayo, Ma'am?
Bingsu.
Bingsu dessert. Yeah, let's go. Wait. Go.
It's bigger than I expected.
Malaki yan. No? Sandangkal ko. Let's eat.
Okay, we're done with the visit. Bye-bye, Koreatown.
Bye, Koreatown, Malate. Bye. Huwag dyan ang sundo. Bye.